Another thing that I'm going to show to you is implementation of the list. So list implementation I have shown you earlier also, that how to implement the list. Here I will show you that by giving a program you can create a list. Previously what I have shown you that you can create the list like this. This program I'll show to you again, that how to create a list. But this is the first program that which I want to show you, that you can create your list. This list, what is the speciality of this list is the list will be of an even number. You see, just a moment, see this program, then you will go into, this is one of the very interesting program I have developed for you. So in this particular program you can see the thing. Okay, in this particular program you can see the thing what I said, that def, I have taken one function def add value. Okay, def add value. After def add value, then I have taken one variable l. So l is what type? See here, third bracket open, third bracket close, that means it is a list. Clear? So therefore I have given it name list. I can call it as a list, so I have given it as a list. Now n equals to input, enter the total number of value that you need to enter into the list. That means it will ask you that how many value you need to enter into the list. Now I have make one initialization, that I equals to 1. Clear? So when the I equals to 1, what I have done, I have first started one loop, that is an while loop. See here, while loop, while I less than equals to n. So what is the value of n? That means that you have asked from the user to input it. So till that number of time the loop will going to continue. So a, enter the element. Now what, it will divide by 2, and if it is fine, the remainder is 0. This is what modulus, this sign is a modular sign, that means it will going to give you a reminder. So I have said in my previous videos also that it is a modular sign which will going to give you a reminder. If your reminder is 0, then what will be l dot append? What to append? Append means to add. Okay, what to add? Add is a. Clear? Then you will going to increase the value of I equals to I plus 1. Now it will going to print l, and what it will do? Add values. So let us run the program. This is the thing, one of the thing very interesting. If I don't give this checking, this particular checking, then it will going to accept. Suppose I have given you how many numbers? Suppose 5 number I want to insert into the list. Now you notice the thing very nicely. Okay, suppose first element I have given 1. Okay, so enter. See, your list is empty. Why? Because when 1 divided by 2, the remainder is not 0. Here, there will be some remainder come, so it will not going to take. Now I am giving the second value, suppose 2. So 2 divided by 2, remainder is 0. So 2 has been entered into the list. Now suppose the next value I am giving 5. Enter. Say 5 divided by 2 is not 0. Clear? So that means it will not going to enter into the list. Next value, suppose I am giving 6. So 6 divided by 2, remainder is 0. It entered into the list. Next value, suppose 8. Enter into the list. Next value, suppose 12. It will also enter into the list. So 4 item became, suppose now I give another value 15. Okay, 15 will not enter into the list because it is not divisible by completely 2. Next, suppose I give 16. 16 has entered into the list. That means it is completely divisible by 2 and remainder will be 0. Therefore, what you will going to find here, that the particular element that has been created, how many elements I have said to enter into a list? 5 elements. So see here, it has entered 5 elements only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many times number I have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? So 7 times I have given the number, but why it is not entering? It is checking it whether the number that has been given, is it completely divisible by 2, and is there any reminders is there. If reminder is so, it will not going to take. That means it is a list of what number? List of an even number elements. Okay, even number of elements. So even number of elements means all the number inside the list will be an even number. No odd number will be entered. If I